morning from the city of lakes, and I'm sure by now you all know that I am in Udaipur, and for this trip I am going to be accompanied by my very dear friend Samira.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Before heading out to explore the city and explore new places, we decided to have breakfast and then we left to explore the first destination, which was the City Palace.
The first destination of my Udaipur trip is City Palace, and City Palace was just 5 minutes walking distance from the hostel I'm staying at. और City Palace में आने के लिए पहले तो एंट्री चार्जेस है, बट वॉज 400 पर पर्सन, एंड हमने एक गाइड भी हायर किया था, तो गाइड चार्जेस वो 500 पर पर्सन. Mandir, we have decided to have some lunch, and here we saw a place where they were serving dal bati churma. और राजस्थान आए और दाल बाटी चूरमा नहीं खाया तो फिर क्या ही राजस्थान आए. Now after our lunch we are going towards Jag Mandir, और यहाँ का जाने का रास्ता ही इतना खूबसूरत है. After a beautiful and scenic boat ride, we have finally reached Jagmandir Palace, and more than a palace, it's like a hotel where you can spend some time with the view, actually a lake view, and have some refreshments and snacks.
सिटी पैलेस और जग मंदिर में आप इजीली 3 to 4 hours स्पेंड कर सकते हैं. And we decided to come back to our hostel that evening as it started raining very heavily. And Udaipur is such a vibe during rainy season, and by the time we came back at our hostel, this was the view that we witnessed.
It's day 2 of my Udaipur trip, and today we are going to a offbeat place, and our day is going to be starting with a short 1 kilometer trek. To know more, stay tuned.
So the hostel that I was staying at had planned this morning sunrise tour, and we immediately added in our itinerary, and this was kind of unplanned but it went really well.
पीछे जो आप देख रहे हो दैट इज़ बड़ी लेक, और यहाँ से आई थिंक थोड़ा सा आगे जाएंगे, विल डू अ 1 किलोमीटर ट्रैक और सो, एंड देन विल रीच द बाहुबली हिल्स। So approximately 1 kilometer which took us around 15 minutes or so. इतना ट्रैकिंग करने के बाद the view is absolutely worth it. So in the morning we did a bit of adventure, and after all the adventure we were a little hungry, so we are now here at the Jheel Ginger Cafe. I've ordered my breakfast and I'm gonna have it with this view. After my breakfast at the Jheel Ginger Cafe, we came and took some rest and it was drizzling outside. Now after a while, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we are all set to go out and explore Udaipur. So a must visit place in Udaipur is this Jagdish temple. It's quite beautiful and its architecture is just pretty. Pichula is a little far from the city center. However, this place is absolutely worth visiting. So if you are visiting Udaipur, please do not miss this place. You can spend good time here by doing some boating, snacking a little bit, and of course enjoying the scenic view.
लेक पिछोला पे अच्छा खासा टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद हम आ गए थे गंगौर घाट पे, और गंगौर घाट के जस्ट बाजू में है बागोर की हवेली। एंड दिस प्लेस इज़ फेमस फॉर इज धरोहर डांस शो विच इज़ मस्ट 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 recommended. Folk dance at Bagor Ki Haveli is must recommended. If you are in Udaipur, please do not miss it. Okay, I won't tell more, and you have to be there to actually experience it. For now, you can enjoy the videos. And it's raining very heavily outside, and the first thing that we're gonna do today is have breakfast before we head out. So after having breakfast, the first place that we have come to explore is the Sajjangarh Monsoon Palace, and the name it does justice to this place because it's just mesmerizing.
मानसून पैलेस का एंट्री फीस इज़ 174 पर पर्सन एंड आपको मेन गेट से एक्चुअल पैलेस तक जाने के लिए टैक्सी करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट्स अराउंड 3.5 to 4 kilometers and the taxi charges are 120 per person, but the ride and the views are absolutely worth it. तो सज्जनगढ़ मानसून पैलेस की ब्यूटी एक्सपीरियंस करने के बाद द नेक्स्ट प्लेस दैट वी हैव कम टू एक्सप्लोर is Karni Mata Mandir. Now this mandir is very close to Lake Pichola, so if you are planning, so you can club Lake Pichola and Karni Mata Mandir together. Also the ticket price for Karni Mata Mandir from the ropeway it's 113 per person, but you also have an option of a private cabin for which the charges are different. So after taking the 5-minute ropeway ride at the Karni Mata Mandir, this is the So after exploring Karni Mata Mandir, the last place that I have come for the Udaipur trip is the Hadipur Bazaar. It's raining very heavily. Also today there is Janmashtami, so half of the shops are closed. However, you can still come here because many shops are open. And yeah, the Udaipur trip has been great.
Udaipur during monsoons is not the very ideal time to visit, and I had to make a lot of last minute changes in the itinerary due to the rains. So, if you're planning a trip to Udaipur, please plan it during the winter season where you will be able to witness the absolute beauty this city has to offer. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If you like my videos, do hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section which place you want me to explore next. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you until next time.
Samira. अभियाना जल्दी देख just walk और so morning को भी left around weekday, so yeah